it's Chloe.
Hey, it's Monty.
And today we're going to visit Ecofest
At Camp Clayton in Turners Beach, Tasmania.
Let's go adventure!
Ecofest is a festival for sustainable living. So they are encouraging zero waste and they have got some amazing vendors here. They've got food, they've got stalls, and they've got heaps of kids activities to promote sustainable living.
And there's no waste in this whole event. Look, I've got my program here. Where should we go first, Monty?
Oh, I think we should head that way.
Let's go. One great thing about Ecofest is we get to learn all about our planet. And we're here at Wildcare Tasmania stall.
What they do is they volunteer around the state, going to different reserves and national parks and checking in on our wildlife. This is Hannah and she is a volunteer.
How cool.
Who is this, Hannah?
This is Wally, one of our wombats.
Hannah, what are we doing here today at the stall?
Today we have some track matching for different wildlife. We've got fungi flips, so you can identify different fungi in the forest.
Ooh. That's pretty cool. Let's match some footprints, Monty.
Ooh.
These ones look cool. Look, they've got little claws. Let's see.
I wonder who has claws.
The echidna?
I don't think so.
A wombat?
What about the wombat?
Is it a match, Monty?
It's a match.
Yes. If we see some of this wildlife out and about, what should we look out for?
If you see a wombat like Wally in the wild, if you're in a park or a reserve or anywhere in Tasmania, we just ask you just to stay at least 2 meters away from them, observe them. That lets them keep their natural behaviours and keeps them safe as well.
So don't go up and pat them, they might look cute and cuddly, but you can pat this one today here at Ecofest.
Look, Monty, our friends Dairy Dreamers. They've got their little goat here today. Look how cute. Hi,
and she has a purple coat on, like Georgia.
It is a little bit chilly today, and look, it's started to rain. Maybe we should head inside to the stalls.
I think we should, let's go. Hey, Chloe, you know, I'm a bit of a fungi sometimes.
Monty, you're too silly. Look, Monty, and we're at Elysian Gallery and Gifts. She's got lots of different products, all based on fungi. Hey, Kim.
Hi. Kim loves to take photos of fungi she sees in the Tasmanian wild. And she sells all her products in her store in Burnie. She has so much stuff here. We've got jigsaw puzzles, magnets.
Oh, and she's even got some fun games. Look, fungi dominoes.
Oh, and you can paint your own mushrooms.
I might have to take that one home for an art project one day.
Oh, and I can paint a toadstool as well. But did you know that we need fungi in our environment so that we humans can live? They take in all the nasty stuff and they put out good stuff.
Wow.
And if we didn't have fungi and bees, we wouldn't be able to be here.
Well,
Speaking of bees, I spot some honey.
ooh, yummy. Let's go taste some.
We are at the stall for Honey Bee Farm, where we can get heaps of honey. They have so many different types, and they are made from all different sorts of flowers and at all different times of the year.
So cool. Did you know that the female bees are the worker bees? They go and collect all the pollen.
And did you know it takes up to 12 bees to just make a teaspoon of honey?
Whoa, should we try some honey now?
I think we should.
Do you mind, Mitch, if we try some honey?
Of course, go for it.
Yay!
We've got bush honey, leatherwood with manuka. That's my personal favourite. Okay, let me get a little bit of honey.
Is it yummy?
My favourite.
We have found the paper making workshop.
And we are going to make some paper. They use recycled shredded paper, just a handful, and mix it with some water and put it in a blender. And that's how they make all the pulp that we use to make the paper.
Let's go make our paper. Over here, Monty. Making your own paper is a very sustainable thing to do, and it's super fun. I've got my paper making decal, and let's give it a swish to mix up all the pulp inside, and then we're gonna go under, whoa, and pull it up. Gotta hold it nice and steady. Gotta wait for all the water to drip out. Look, there's my paper. I might put it on top of this one for a minute. Perfect.
Ooh, now it's my turn. I have got my kid's toy. His has got a fly screen, and so that's how I am going to make my paper. I need to go deep and up. Let's see how that goes. Let it drip, 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 and dry out.
Well, Monty, mine is ready to get flipped, so then yours can sit on here. First, I'm gonna take this one. Oh, hold on. Gotta take this off. Nice and carefully. Perfect. Okay. What I'm gonna do is wrap this up, and then I'm gonna place it on, and then I'll be able to flip it.
Ooh.
Okay, ready? Line it up. Perfect. Okay, now I can flip it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I gave it a big press to get rid of all the water. And I might give it a press down here too, so it absorbs all the water. Comes out perfect. Press, press, press. Okay, are we ready, Monty?
Time for the reveal. Whoa!
Perfect, Monty. Look at my piece of paper I made.
That looks amazing, Chloe. Ooh, now let's see how mine will flip. So I can grab this. And I'm just gonna flip and we'll see what happens. Whoop. Oh, let's see. Ooh. Ooh, I might need to dab it first to try and get some of the water out before I try and take this off. Then I peel that off and I have got a circle piece of paper.
Now we'll have to hang them to dry and come back later. I'm carrying it really careful to take it to the drying rack. Okay, time to hang it up to dry. 2 pegs.
Ooh, can you please pass me some pegs, Chloe?
Sure thing. Oh, 2 pegs for you, Monty.
1 and 2.
Now we'll have to come back later after they're all dry. What else can we go do now, Monty?
I think there's an Eco Kids area that we can go to.
Let's go check it out.
I found Eco Kids. It's pretty warm in here. I might take off my scarf.
Look, let's make some craft.
Let's go.
Look at all these recycled materials, Monty, we can use to create something with.
Whatever we like.
What are you gonna make?
It's a surprise.
Okay, Monty, I'm going to make a castle. First, I'm gonna start with my cup. And I've got some toilet rolls here. That's a bit funny. And I'm gonna tape them together. Look, Monty, I made an intergalactic space castle.
Ooh, I've been knitting.
That's so cool, Monty. And look, I was really careful about mine, so I could take it apart and another kid can use all of my art supplies.
Oh, reduce, reuse, recycle.
Monty, did you say you were doing some knitting?
Yes, this is called French knitting. When I was younger, I used to make this at school. You get a toilet paper roll, you get 4 paddle pop sticks, I got 4 different colours, and some yarn. And what you do is you just keep going round and it ends up making a big tube.
Maybe you can make bracelets.
Yeah!
Wow, look, a Play-Doh station. Oh, hi friend, what are you making? Play-Doh. Roll. I love Play-Doh. It's so squishy. Can you squish your Play-Doh? Squish and stretch. Great stretching. Oh, should we make a love heart, friend? Yeah, okay. I might make a carrot. Yummy carrots. Squish. Roll. Carrot. Ready? I'll make a carrot. Carrots are orange. What's your name, my friend? Your name is Leo. Wow, so lovely to meet you. And what's your favourite animal? You like horses? I think maybe I like cows. Moo. Moo. What about sheep? Sheep go ba-ba. What other animals, Leo? What about snakes, Leo? Can you say snake? Leo, should we go see the snakes? Yes, let's go, Leo.
This is Betty, the tiger snake, but we can't touch them. This lady here is very trained in looking after these snakes and being able to handle them with care.
Whoa, look at his tongue.
We need to keep our hands on this side so she doesn't try and bite us. Rachel here has got all different snakes. Most of them are tiger snakes though. They all have different sorts of patterns. This one looks like a bit of a tiger though to me. She also has a copperhead snake, which all of these are native to Tasmania and are all venomous. Venomous means that it can only hurt you if it bites you. So that's why we stay clear of snakes and we walk. When we see a snake, we have to stop and let it pass. Hey Chloe, we should plant our own seeds.
Yes.
Now I have got some instructions here. What we need to do is we need to put 1 or 2 scoops of that soil into these cups.
Perfect.
But don't fill it all the way up because we've got to put the bulbs in.
Gotta leave space. Okay. Oh, here's your spade.
Thank you.
Okay, 1 scoop. In we go. Think I might need a little bit more. Perfect.
Think that should be good. Okay. I have got a bulb here for you.
Oh, thank you. Look at this bulb. Whoa.
Nice. We've got a big one. Pop him right in there.
I dug a little hole. I'm gonna put him in and cover him up.
Now, what we have to do is we get more soil to cover them up.
Bye-bye, bulb.
In there.
Press, press. Perfect.
And now, we grab our little watering can and we just sprinkle a little bit of water on them. There you are, Chloe.
Perfect. Whoa, I spilled mine a little bit. That's okay, it's just water. Now we'll have to take them home
And hope they grow.
have to water them every day.
And then they'll sprout.
Whoa.
A plant needs water and sun so it can grow just like us. Make sure you drink water and go out in the sun.
We're going to put a little drawing on our cups now. I'm gonna draw a flower.
I'm gonna draw a pink love heart and write Monty. I definitely think it's time for some lunch. I'm getting pretty hungry. Ooh, what about some dumplings?
Ooh, yum! We've got our lunch now, Monty.
Yummy dumplings.
And look, they even come in reusable plates. We'll go and return them in one of the special tubs later.
But I think it's time for us to go after these. But we've had such a great time at Ecofest today, checking out everything they've got. It's amazing. And if you want to go to Ecofest, it's on every year.
Well, see you next time.
Happy adventuring.